So Google has always been where people go to search and buy, but now ChatGPT is stepping in. You can search for products and even buy inside ChatGPT. That's a big deal, and it changes how e-commerce SEO works. Quick heads up, I made a free ChatGPT shopping SEO emergency checklist to get your store ready. I'll show you how to grab it at the end of the video. So here's what's new. You can type a query and it shows products from across the web. And for some items, you can buy right in the chat with instant checkout. Now, traditionally, you'd search on Google, click on a guide or an ad, compare your options, and then land on a store. But if ChatGPT answers your question and puts the buy button in the same thread, you might never touch Google. So just check out this quick example. I type best Halloween decorations for a hocus pocus theme party, and ChatGPT gives me a list of ideas. Then the next logical step is just to ask, where can I get these? And ChatGPT then shows a product carousel. From here, I can either go straight to the e-commerce product page, or if available, use instant checkout, and you'll see a label on the items that have this current feature. So this is extremely limited today, and Etsy is the only instant checkout option as of right now. And there's no traditional cart yet, like on a traditional e-commerce store. But the direction is obvious. They don't want users to leave the platform. And if you're doing e-commerce SEO, you need to apply on the ChatGPT merchants page and get your feed integrated. But before anyone abandons Google, let's look at the numbers. ChatGPT reportedly handles about 1.8 billion commercial queries per month, which actually puts it ahead of platforms like eBay, Walmart, and Etsy. But Google is in an entirely different league. If only 14% of Google searches are commercial, that's around 70 billion commercial searches every single month. So no, ChatGPT won't be replacing Google anytime soon, but it is the 5th most popular website on the internet, and you cannot ignore it. So how does ChatGPT decide what to show in these e-commerce based commercial queries? Well, there's 2 layers to understand. First, product ranking, which means results are organic and based on relevance to the user query, very similar to Google. There is no sponsored boost yet. Then number 2 is merchant selection. So when multiple sellers have the same product, they're going to use availability, price, quality, whether you're the maker or the primary seller, and whether instant checkout is enabled. So to show up, you'll need a product feed and then add reviews and ratings wherever you can. But it's not just the feed. ChatGPT and Google both rely on NLP, which is natural language processing, to understand your category and product pages. Rankability's Content Optimizer solves this problem because it helps rewrite category and product pages to be SEO friendly for Google and AI ready for ChatGPT, covering entities, attributes, modifiers, and intent phrases without keyword stuffing. But here's the big question. If ChatGPT uses retrieval, does ranking high on Google or Bing help you inside ChatGPT for your e-commerce store? Well, for shopping lists, the answer is not directly. If your pages are strong enough to rank on Google, they're often well-structured and authoritative, making them more likely to be used by AI retrieval. But another big factor is reviews and trust signals. So while not an official tiebreaker, ChatGPT's spec encourages merchants to share reviews, popularity, and return rate data. These influence whether your product is highlighted and how users perceive it. All right, so here's your 30, 60, and 90-day plan. First 30 days, apply on the ChatGPT merchants page and ship a clean feed with required fields. Your next 30 days, automate frequent refreshes for price and stock. Your next 30 days, if operations allow, enable instant checkout. Use Rankability's Content Optimizer to make category and product pages NLP clean so you can win both Google and in AI answers. Now, before we wrap, let's talk about what's coming next. 3 quick predictions you should be planning for right now. Prediction number 1, everyone's going to copy this. Other AI tools like Perplexity are already adding shopping. Soon, you'll see a wave of AI platforms letting people search and buy without ever going to Google or Amazon. Prediction number 2, local businesses are next. Right now, it's products. But imagine this. You run a plumbing company and someone asks ChatGPT to find me a plumber near me. Instead of showing Google Maps, ChatGPT could just have business profiles inside the app and let people book or request quotes right inside of ChatGPT. Prediction number 3, carts and more payments. At the moment, you can only buy one item with instant checkout. No cart, no bundles. That'll likely change. Expect protect multi-item carts, more payment options, and support for more countries. They clearly want to keep shoppers inside of ChatGPT for the entire buying process. So assistant-first shopping is here. It's not the future. And if you get in right now, you can grab attention before everyone else catches up. So the first step is download the free ChatGPT shopping SEO emergency checklist, and you'll find the link in the description and in the pinned comment. And you can just scan the QR code on screen right now as well. And watch the next video to learn my 18-step SEO audit checklist that's working right now.